Baking is the passion and livelihood of many people. Since 1947, Phoon Huat has provided the tools and ingredients to make baking easier and more fulfilling for everyone. As our business grew and became more complex, we simply couldn't keep processing our documents manually anymore. We also wanted to ensure that Phoon Huat could continue to grow in an environmentally sustainable way. We needed a game-changing solution.
As Phoon Huat's business process management partner, Bizmann worked closely with them to digitalize and automate their operations sustainably, end-to-end. A key part of our recommendation was to bring Epson on board as a partner to integrate Phoon Huat into the Internet of Things and lead their digital transformation. Epson's heat-free business inkjet printers are reliable and extremely energy efficient. Combined with digital processing, they've enabled Phoon Huat to achieve their sustainability goals. By adopting heat-free inkjet multifunction printers, Phoon Huat was able to reduce electricity consumption by almost 90%, and through digitization, processes have been redesigned and automated to achieve 40% savings in man-hours and 90% more effective document management. Overall, this partnership has streamlined Phoon Huat's delivery and document management processes.
Epson printers are very fast and produce high-quality prints. They've also reduced energy consumption by 85%, which greatly exceeded our expectations. Embracing digital transformation and Epson's heat-free inkjet printers has made us more confident than ever of taking on new business challenges while also helping to conserve our environment.